Good morning everyone. This is Science Standard 6 video number 2. In this video we are going to discuss the question answer of this chapter. Okay, and we are discussing the questions that answer the following questions in long, that is in the page number 138. So we have first question. Okay, that what are the different types of habitats available for living things. I said about the habitat that the natural living place for an organism, that is their habitat. Okay, and this habitat has been divided into terrestrial habitats, aquatic habitats. Okay, and inside the terrestrial habitat it comes that forest habitat also come, desert habitat also come, grassland habitat, mountain and polar region habitat. Okay, these all are the habitats. And another it comes the aquatic habitat. Okay, here the aquatic habitat is there. Okay, aquatic habitat. Okay, but we will discuss take small points for that. First one is the terrestrial habitat. Okay, terrestrial habitat, that those organisms which live on the land, and the forest comes inside that. Okay, and inside the forest it comes a tropical rainforest, temperate deciduous forest, coniferous forest. Okay, and in the desert, okay, the means the dry or desert area, the hot climate is there, hot, and hot winds blow, the temperature is very high. Okay, and the next one is dry grasslands are the region dominated by the grasses which moderate rainfall ranging from 50 centimeter to 90 centimeter. Okay, now it comes mountain and the polar habitat. Okay, mountain and the polar habitat it comes. Okay, in the mountains are the region that rise much higher than the land surrounding them. Okay, the organisms which are found in the mountains are goat, sheep, yak, beetles. Okay, pines and spruce. Okay, mountain goats, they found in the polar regions are extremely cold and covered with the snow throughout the year. Okay, the organism which is found in the polar habitat is the polar bear, penguins, seal, walrus, and some other animals also are found. Okay, and now we come to the aquatic habitat. Okay, now we come to the aquatic habitat. What is inside the aquatic habitat? Aquatic means water, aqua means water. Okay, those organisms which live in the water. Okay, their habitat is called aquatic habitat. And aquatic habitat has been classified into two, that is freshwater and marine water. Okay, and again, freshwater, salt is not present, salty water is not present. In the marine water, the taste of the water is salt, it contains a lot of mineral and the salt. And this fresh water is divided into two categories: running water, that is called lotic habitat, and still water, that is lentic habitat. Okay, and this running water is the habitat is provided by flowing water of river, stream. Okay, and it is also known as lotic habitat. Now come to the still water habitat. Okay, means water is stagnant, in example ponds, lakes. Okay, now come to the marine water. Marine water, it contains sea and ocean. Okay, and it has been divided into two zones: coastal and open area. Coastal seas are warmer and full of nutrients. Open areas are deepest or deeper part of the sea. Now we are going to see the next question. Okay, now we are the next question is, with the help of diagram we have to explain the adaptation in camel, how the camel adapted to live in the desert area. The camels have several adaptations that help it to survive in a desert. So the first point, okay, a camel drinks a large quantity of water and can stay without water for a long period of time. Okay, and the next point is it excretes a very little water in urine, and its dung is dry. Small pellets like there, and it does not sweat. Okay, and it has a long eyelashes. Okay, it has a long eyelashes are long. Okay, hairs are present over the eyes. Okay, they are long to protect the sand. Okay, the sand may not enter inside it. Okay, now the next is they have nostrils. These nostrils are slightly closed to keep away the soil. The sand may not enter. Okay, and the next point is fat is stored in the hump. Okay, here this is the hump part. Here the fat is stored and it acts as a reserve food. Okay, whenever it does not get food, they utilize this fat and take the energy. Okay, now they have a long leg. They have a long leg. This long leg protects from the heat of a sand. Okay, they protects the heat of a sand. Now the next is they have a paddy feet. Okay, paddy feet they have. Why? Because the leg may not sink when they run or walk in the sand. So they have the foot they have broad and padded. Okay, so they can walk easily on the sand. Okay, this was the characteristic feature of the camel. Okay, now we have the next question is what is habitat? What are the benefits of it for the living organisms? Okay, habitats, I have made you understand the place where the animal or the plants lives naturally grow, and that is their habitats. Okay, like desert, camel lives in the forest, wild animal lives tropical rainforest, sea and ocean, river and lakes, tundra, mountainous region, grassland. These are the habitats. Okay, now what they get, what are the benefits of habitat? Habitats provide food for the animals. In the jungle, herbivores eat the plant and the leaf. Okay, and carnivores eat the herbivores animals. So, and they are getting the water from that, they are getting air from that, they are getting shelter, that is protection from the enemies, and the place for breeding to the plant and animal. Okay, the place for breeding for the plants and animals. A habitat provides everything to the organism which they need to live. Okay, now this question is right, we have to write the adaptation in fish. Okay, animals which help them to survive in aquatic habitat. Okay, first of all, the what are the adaptation in the aquatic animals? We are going to discuss about the adaptation in the fish. Okay, fish has fin. Fish has fin. Okay, which help them to swim in the water. They have fins. They have this help them to swim in the water. Second, it has gills. It has gills which helps to breathe inside the water. They dissolve oxygen from the water and survive. Gills extract oxygen dissolved in the water, and the water goes in the through the mouth, and water goes out of through the gills. Okay, and the next point is their body is streamlined. Okay, both shape their body extreme line so that they can overcome the resistance due to the water and enable the fish to swim faster. Okay, now then now next point is the skin is covered with the waterproof scales. Okay, you can see the waterproof scales are there. Okay, why? Which protect it from decaying in the water. Okay, now all these features help the fish to survive in the water. Thank you very much.